We're keeping up with the information that is coming in right now from North Block. You have the Home Ministry, which is called for a review meeting. You have the NSA, Ajit Doval, who will also be present at this meet in about 1.5 hours from now. This big meeting is scheduled. My colleague Moshmi is getting us all the inside details of this meeting. Moshmi, what are you picking up?
See, in the backdrop of the current scenario, the Home Minister is holding a very important meeting. This is supposed to be a routine meeting, but after the Uri attack, it assumed a lot of importance because the Defence Minister would also participate in the meeting. But we are told today that there might be some officials of the MOD who would be present in the meeting along with the IB and the RAW Chief. The NSA would also come. So this is an internal security review meeting. We already know that Indian troops are on high alert on the border. The paramilitary forces have been kept on high alert. BSF, that mans 2,000 kilometers of the Indo-Pak border, is also being kept on high alert. So Rajnath Singh would be reviewing the entire internal security situation. On the face of it, Pakistan has been on the denial mode. It has said that it is ready for all measures and retaliatory action in the face of an aggressive India. So clearly India taking no chances. The Defence Minister said that we are equipped for any retaliation from the Pakistani side. If there is any retaliation from the Pakistani side, we will give a befitting reply. So Rajnath Singh would be reviewing this meeting. We do know that the CCS is supposed to take place today. Yesterday, when Narendra Modi chaired the CCS, he did decide to go public with the entire surgical strike incident. So clearly India is keeping all its guards. It is keeping a close watch on the border, and even as we talk, the paramilitary forces and the armed forces leaves have been cancelled so that all the time the borders are manned and a strict vigil is maintained.
And all the three forces, Navy and Air Force, also on high alert. Moshmi, thanks for getting us that update. And Pakistan should be watching this very closely, because even as Nawaz Sharif has called for its cabinet meet and a special joint session of the parliament, they need to know they can't take India for granted anymore. Taking a very short break. Stay with us on the other side, getting you the latest details from Islamabad, how it's completely rattled.